I'm just gonna ride the train. Guess we're off. Thought it was green, like dark green. Probably just, I think it just was. Guy probably changed the livery now that I think about it. Whee! There goes. And look, and there's the Game Pass train spawning area. What is that factory? I never thought about what that factory could be. What? I wonder what company that factory could be. I know it's just a bland old factory, but still. It just comes to my mind. I'm a bit crazy. I could be silly. Guess I'm the guard, because I'm in the back of the train. And there goes the freight depot number 1. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. We have some cats, so you might hear some banging in the background. That's just my cats. I guess that road's blocked off, seeing that bright red see-through barrier. And there goes the mainline shed, and there's the mainline sheds that's in the opposite direction. I misspoke. Guess I'm getting off at the next station that the train stops at. I know I just said I was a guard, but I kind of want to take that back. I think that station's going to be Glenson. Is that what the station's called? I don't know. There goes the Glenson switch tower. Signal box, I meant. My mistake. I don't think the train's actually stopping here. Actually, it is. Right in front of the expansion area. I think that's the expansion area. Okay. Thanks for viewing this video.